Line the ruler up. Line the ruler up with one side of the white copier paper. Measure to the 3-inch line. Do this at the bottom and then move the ruler up a little bit and make a small mark again. Very hard to see, but 2 small marks at the 3-inch. Turn the ruler and connect those 2 marks into a line. Then turn your ruler and measure to the other side of the headband, and this side will be 1/2 inch. So make 3 or 4 marks at this 1/2 inch. Turn the ruler and connect these into a line. And this will be the base for the rabbit's headband, which will hold the ears in place. Cut out the 1/2 inch by 3-inch strip with scissors. Once that's cut out, take the ruler, and on the same side, if there are pencil marks, use that side to mark a small line at the 1-inch and 2-inch. Now fold the 1/2 inch side to a 1/4 inch. Take your scissors and make a small slit at the 1 and 2 inch mark, but don't go all the way across. Now take a small piece of white copier paper that's a square and fold this in half for the rabbit ears. It doesn't really matter what the size is as long as it's not too big. And cut out the 2 white ear shapes.